In this video, we will install our tool that we're gonna need to use through this course. Okay, so the editor of the text that I choose is VS Code. Okay, is the most famous editor of the text in web development and most of the languages like Python. Okay, so we will use this editor and through all this course. The reason why I choose this editor is we're gonna need the terminal. Okay, you can use a more simple editor like brackets, but I prefer to use this editor. I don't want when we get to a video to say to you, hey, we have to install an VS Code. Okay, but we're gonna install it from the first video. Okay, so to install it, you have just to go to http://code.visualstudio.com/download. So open your browser, okay, and type google.com. So we will go to the official website for VS Code. So you can type just Visual Studio Code install or download. And the first website you have just to click, and here in the first page I have the platform Windows or Linux or Mac. You can choose your platform. For my case, I will choose Windows. Okay, and when you click, you have just to install it like a normal program. You don't have to watch any other video. Just skip like you install any other program. Okay, after installing, just your tab and click on search for Visual Studio Code and you click. Okay, so this is the platform of Visual Studio Code. Don't worry about all this is navigation. We will just work in this course in this tab here. This is the files. Okay, now I don't have any file, so I will go to my desktop here and I will create a new folder. I will name it JavaScript. Okay, so I create a new folder. I name it JavaScript. Now I will open this folder with Visual Studio Code. Okay, open folder. I will go to my desktop. Here I find JavaScript and I will click select folder, and now I have my folder. I can create a new file, I can create a new folder. Okay, new folder, new file, and this is what you need so far. Thank you. See you in the coming video. In the coming video we will start by variables. See you. If you have any problem in the installation or your platform is different than mine and you find some issues, just ask me in the comments. I will be more than happy to answer you. Thank you.